副词。
Adverb.
Adverb.
肯定，肯定。
Certainly. Definitely.
Certainly. Definitely.
你放心，我肯定能完成任务。你放心，我肯定能完成任务。
Don't worry. I'm sure I can complete the task.
Don't worry. I'm sure I can complete the task.
别担心，我们肯定能准时赶上飞机。别担心，我们肯定能准时赶上飞机。
Don't worry. We'll be sure to catch the plane on time.
Don't worry. We'll be sure to catch the plane on time.
只要你努力，你肯定会进步。只要你努力，你肯定会进步。
As long as you work hard, you will definitely improve.
As long as you work hard, you will definitely improve.
如果你不努力学习，你的成绩肯定会很差。如果你不努力学习，你的成绩肯定会很差。
If you don't study hard, your grades will definitely be poor.
If you don't study hard, your grades will definitely be poor.
形容词。
Adjective.
Adjective.
肯定，肯定。
Certain. Definite. Affirmative. Positive.
Certain. Definite. Affirmative. Positive.
他们已经做出了肯定的判断。他们已经做出了肯定的判断。
They have made affirmative judgments.
They have made affirmative judgments.
他还没有做出肯定的结论。他还没有做出肯定的结论。
She has not yet drawn firm conclusions.
She has not yet drawn firm conclusions.
我没有从他们那里得到肯定的答复。我没有从他们那里得到肯定的答复。
I didn't get a positive answer from them.
I didn't get a positive answer from them.
不能肯定的事，不要对别人说。不能肯定的事，不要对别人说。
If you are not sure, don't tell others.
If you are not sure, don't tell others.
他认真工作的态度是值得肯定的。他认真工作的态度是值得肯定的。
His serious work attitude is worthy of recognition.
His serious work attitude is worthy of recognition.
如果你的回答是肯定的，那么你就去做吧。如果你的回答是肯定的，那么你就去做吧。
If your answer is yes, then you go for it.
If your answer is yes, then you go for it.
动词。
Verb.
Verb.
肯定，肯定。
Sure. Without doubt.
Sure. Without doubt.
我可以肯定他们一定会反对。我可以肯定他们一定会反对。
I'm sure they will object.
I'm sure they will object.
不要太肯定自己的观点，你可能是错的。不要太肯定自己的观点，你可能是错的。
Don't be too sure of your opinion, you could be wrong.
Don't be too sure of your opinion, you could be wrong.
我不肯定他是否会去。我不肯定他是否会去。
I'm not sure if he will go.
I'm not sure if he will go.
你要肯定你所做的一切都是正确的。你要肯定你所做的一切都是正确的。
You need to be sure that everything you do is correct.
You need to be sure that everything you do is correct.
名词。
Noun.
Noun.
肯定，肯定。
Affirmation.
Affirmation.
他的工作得到了领导的肯定。他的工作得到了领导的肯定。
His work has been affirmed by the leader.
His work has been affirmed by the leader.
为了得到父亲的肯定，他努力学习，取得了好成绩。为了得到父亲的肯定，他努力学习，取得了好成绩。
In order to get his father's affirmation, he studied hard to get good grades.
In order to get his father's affirmation, he studied hard to get good grades.
谢谢观看。